Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Reebok Nano 9.0 CrossFit shoes. So let's just take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Reebok Nano 9.0 CrossFit or training shoes. And this pair is in the UK size 8 or US size 9 and in the Heritage Navy Rosette Sunglow colourway. And now let's go ahead and open up the box. By of course lifting up the box flap to reveal the pair of Reebok Nano 9.0 CrossFit shoes. And let's go ahead and let's give you a better look as they are and lift out the left foot side. So just giving you a quick look as it is. The Reebok Nano 9.0 CrossFit shoes in a UK size 8 or US size 9 and in the Heritage Navy Rosette Sunglow colourway. But of course it's also available in very many other colourways as well, and of course other sizes. Just moving that tag out of the way. Okay, so let's move the box to the side and focus on the left foot side. So just let me shift that box to the left hand side of the frame, and now giving you a clearer look at the left foot side of the men's CrossFit training shoes. And giving you a look at the tag that's attached. To the shoe, so I'm just going to tuck that out of the way so you have a nice clear look at this left foot side of the Reebok Nano 9.0 CrossFit shoe. So it does have a flex weave upper, so it is a woven fabric upper. Giving you a close-up look there, and at the laces as well, and the tongue. So obviously it is a low-cut pair of CrossFit shoes, and also it does have this polyurethane nano shell to provide support and a TPU heel clip as well to provide support and stability from lifting. And the outsole is made from rubber, and apparently it is abrasion resistant as well, so it provides plenty of durability with minimal wear. So in terms of weight, there is a nice weight to it. It's not very light in weight, but I think most of that weight comes from the sole of the shoe, providing that much support and stability when it comes to lifting. It's right there. And just to give you an idea of the fabric. So this is a flex weave woven textile fabric. As you can see, giving you a much closer look there to the weave pattern take a look at the front. So very striking outsole design there with a kind of patchy, multicolored rubber sole. And I believe this might be the only colorway with such a randomized art type pattern to the outsole right there. It does provide that bit of invigorating energy and look to it. So there, once again, giving you an idea of the flex weave textile woven upper, and then the midsole as well. So it is pretty firm right here, and towards this polyurethane nano shell that provides support when it comes to lifting. So you can see this part does flex, provides some flexibility, but towards the bottom or midsole it does become very, very hard and stiff. And then of course right there giving you a look at the very interesting heel area of the Reebok Nano 9.0 CrossFit shoe. And now giving you a much closer look to the sole and its pattern of this abrasion resistant rubber. And just running my fingers along it. As you can see, the diamond-like pattern and some vertical grooves along the sole. So pretty firm right throughout the entire length of the sole. And now just gonna flex it just so you have some idea right there. So right there, rather providing some mobility there. And just twisting it as well, giving you some idea of the flexibility of this side of the Reebok Nano 9.0 CrossFit shoe. Okay, so nice good overall look. And just one quick look inside. So there is a midfoot cage as well, or shell, right there, giving you a look on the inside. So let's slide out the stuffing that's inside, set it to the side, and taking a look, see what we can see on the inside of this left foot side. So right there, so you have this sleeve-like liner on the inside, and then you have your outside flex weave upper. So that's the left foot side of this Reebok Nano 9.0 CrossFit shoe. And just going to rotate very slowly right round so you have a complete view. Right round. And now let's move on to the right foot side. So popping the right foot side from the box. And we're going to take a quick look as well. while I set the left foot side further up so it stays in the frame but away from the foreground, so as to not be distracting as we focus on the right foot side. So here we have the right foot side in my hand, once again giving you that close-up look. So you can see the toe area, and once again that flex weave woven textile upper as we move up towards the tongue and laces of the shoe, and you can see that Reebok CrossFit branding right there. And taking a look inside, once again seeing that inner sleeve surrounded and covered by the upper flex weave and just pressing around the heel area, just giving you some idea of the flexibility or firmness that this shoe provides. And of course, once again, we have the polyurethane nano shell that extends from the midsole all the way up to the sides around the heel area. And once again, that lovely abrasion resistant rubber outsole with that very funky patchy pattern from the midfoot or arch area all the way to the front of the shoe. So once again, giving you an idea as to the flexibility or pliability of this CrossFit shoe. And of course, taking a look once again, and it does have that midfoot cage, as you can see, just partially with that pattern there on the Heritage Navy flex weave upper. And now taking a look at the pair together, front on, and right through to the heel. So this very striking and invigorating Heritage Navy Rosette Sunglow colorway does provide, visually at least, the extra boost of energy for your CrossFit training. So one thing to show as well is the kind of padding around the ankle or collar of the shoe. So towards the rear part, it does provide a good amount of padding just around that heel area right there, as you can see. So nice to see there is comfort in mind on this low cut pair of CrossFit training shoes. So that's the Reebok Nano 9.0 CrossFit shoes. Thanks for watching and happy training!